National PSI Exam Prep, page 66. Number 4. Straight line depreciation requires that an asset must be depreciated by equal amounts each year over its useful life. Variable, accrued, and passive depreciation are not used for this deduction. A. To determine how much an improvement has depreciated, divide the value by the number of years being depreciated and multiply that number of years already taken. For example, number 1, a property with improvements that is valued at $390,000 and is being depreciated over 39 years will have depreciated by how much after 10 years? So you take your 390,000, divide by 39, multiply times 10 equals $100,000. Page 67, Unit 11, Real Estate Math Review. Page 68. The National Real Estate Licensing Examination contains a relatively small number of calculations related to real estate transactions and decisions. Generally, these calculations are straightforward and easy. With a little work, you can be prepared to answer these exam questions correctly. The following review provides methods for performing the calculations and ways to remember how to manipulate the numbers. Real estate students have widely different backgrounds and experience in handling these calculations. If you haven't done numeric calculations in quite some time, this unit will provide simple explanations and methods to guide you to the proper solutions for the problems you are most likely to face. If you are experienced in math, you will still need to understand how the world of real estate deals with many of these calculations. Roman numeral 1, simple basics. A, using a calculator. Number 1, you will have a simple calculator available during your examination and you will not be allowed to bring your own. The testing services provide calculators that include the ability to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. These calculators perform calculations in the standard way. For example, if you are adding the numbers 12, 15, and 37, you simply key in the problem as you would visualize it. 12 plus 15 plus 37. A. Key in the number 12 on the keypad. You should see the digits on the display. Press the plus key. That was B. C. Key in the number 15. Only the new numbers will show in the display. D. Press the plus sign again. The sum of the first two numbers will appear. E. Key in the number 37. F. Press the equal key. Using the equal key finishes the calculation and displays a solution, 64. 2. There is usually a clear button that is often marked as CLR or C. Touching this button erases any numbers or actions that are in the calculator's memory. It is a good idea to press this key, at the start of all calculations. B. Decimals and fractions. 1. Decimals and fractions express parts of whole numbers. Since not all calculations come out evenly, half is a fraction that expresses one part of 2. It is really a division problem, stated as 1 divided by 2. Calculators and computers are not set up to easily deal with fractions, so they are converted to decimal fractions by actually performing the calculation. On the calculator, 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5 or 0.5. These are the same thing. A. For example, if you are calculating what part of the month of June 19th days represents, this would be 19 days, the part, divided by 30 days, the whole month. You could state it as